Well, down here it's a bit of seaweed lying around. It's going into low tide mode, but there's a nice little spot just here to take the Seagull up next to the big Seagull. Let's see how we go. I'm placing two of the 808 cameras, one underneath and one on the top, far back as I possibly can, and we should get a good sweep of the aircraft. Hoping the weight is okay on this. And this one. Right. Check the centre of gravity. Just a little bit back. Bring this forward as I can. And away we go. Wind is picking up a bit. Handling it well, even though there's a bit of wind around. There she goes. Two cameras on the wings. She's holding herself nicely. Downwind. And back in to land it. Keeping the speed up a bit. Bit of a dicier landing with the weight of the cameras on the wings, but never mind, it survived okay. Now the go-to is mounted just on the front there. Just check the centre of gravity. Everything seems to be right. Yes, definitely the weight on this aircraft certainly makes it much better for flying. The weight of that camera. Very nice. It's one of those aircraft that you really need to fly in gyro unless you've got a completely still day. Lighthouse in the background. Entry to Melbourne is through that rip just over there. Over here and get it in for a landing. Bring it around again and get it a bit closer. That's it, now we're right. She'll come down for a nice little landing just in this bare area of the beach. There she is. How's that for a landing? Fantastic. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this little video of the Seagull. Really performing well in this breeze today, and the breeze is not as hard as the one we had the other day, but still it's coming up now and it's going to be very windy tomorrow. So there's an opportunity to take the aircraft out and to see how it turns and performs down here in this narrow little area of the beach. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.